Good morning, students. Swami Ramanathin Marathwada University, Nanded. Welcome all of you. I welcome you all to the class of Mathematics, BSc third year. This is a new paper. Paper number is 12, Matrix Space. Already open in this semester. Total mathematics 3 papers. First paper matrix space, second paper linear algebra, and third paper is operation research. Operation research already आपण इस लेक्चर घेतलेले आहे. मॅट्रिक्स स्पेस से काही आउटलाइन ऑफ द सायलेंट फीचर आपण बघणार. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, utility of syllabus. Student can verify the convergence, sequence, completeness and compactness and connectedness of the given matrix space. Second utility of syllabus, student will be able to find dimension of various vector space, and by using determinant concept student can be solve the linear equations by using 2 or 3 unknowns. And some learning objective of syllabus. The maintain updated curriculum. Second, to take care of the fast phase development in the knowledge of mathematics. And last, to meet the need or requirements of the society and to enhance the quality and standards of mathematics educations. These are the learning objective of syllabus. Students, in this paper divided by 3 units. Paper marks, maximum marks is 50, 2 credit. Each credit are 25 marks. So first unit, definition and examples. Subarticle, definition of matrix space, example of matrix space, diameter of a non-empty sets. And second subarticle, open and closed sets. Subpoints of the open and closed set are open and closed spheres, neighborhood of a point, open sets, limit points, closed sets, subspace, closure of a sets. This is the first units and subarticles or subcontent. Second unit, convergence and completeness. First, what is definition of convergence and completeness? Cauchy sequence, Cantor's intersection theorems, Bayes category theorems. These are the content of convergence and completeness. And next, continuity and uniformly continuity. Definitions of continuity and uniform continuity. Examples, theorem on continuity and uniformity continuity, and Banach's fixed point theorem. And last chapter, last unit, compactness. Definitions of compactness and theorem on compactness, Hines-Borel theorem, compactness and finite intersection properties, relative compactness, innets and totally bounded sets, and Leibniz number of covers. And next, last article, connectedness, separated set, definitions of connectedness and theorem of the connectedness. totally 3 units. And textbook S.C. Malik and Savita Arora, Mathematical Analysis. Name of the book Mathematical Analysis, author by S.C. Malik and Savita Arora. New International Limited, publisher New Delhi. And scope of this paper mathematical analysis paper is unit 1st, unit 2nd, unit 3rd, and chapter is 19. Article, these are the some article 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3 theorem only, etc. and so on. And these are the references of the references book in this paper matrix space. So students, next lecture we are discuss the first unit, definition and scope. Thank you.